Right, now we're doing the niche DIYers. You always put your backboard in first. I like to put in my aluminium second and then my border pieces. If you notice that it's the last thing that I need to do, and my glue is fairly stiff. Because you don't want to be using runny glue for this sort of thing, because it needs to sit in place. It needs to sit there where you put it. Just peel that shit off. I use a fine grout so I don't have to worry about it scratching. I don't use sanded grout, I use a very fine grout. Like I've said in other videos, I like to bring it out about 1.5 mil from face tile. It's called the Quirk, and it just gives me something then to silicone against, to get a nice bead of silicone. But hard to see what I'm doing with that plastic. Okay, am I a little bit too tight? I think I might just have to trim that a tad. Or am I right? Oh, that's beauty, boy. I like it. Sometimes if it doesn't fit, force it. Give it a bash. No, only kidding. Right, a bit of mud. See how my glue is fairly stiff? Always making sure I'm putting glue at the front there, so it hits that aluminium. When I want my rubber hammer, I can't find it. But here it is. actually put a little bit too much glue. That's nice. Nice bit of slope. Nice one. I could have cut I might even make that one a little bit wider, I reckon. I might. Oh no, that's not bad. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's cool. Top. Right, the top I've put a packer up in there, so I'm not having heaps and heaps of glue. If you've got big blobs of glue, because my head is about there, so I've put a couple of tiles just to pack it. If you have that much glue, it'll always flop. Give it a bit of a tap up. Nice, I like it. I don't have to check it all the time because I know I've got slope, but I'll do it. I'll put there like that piece of tile square, that's showing you the slope that we have on that shelf there. I don't have to put a square up and to check it myself because I know. I was just doing that to show you people how I've got slope. That is always level because my tile is dead level. So I don't have to check that for level because I know it is already. And there you have it, DIYers. One niche. What I will do now, once I turn the camera off, I'll just give it a little tap here and there, just to make sure it's perfect. Always feeling your miters to make sure they're flush. Lovely. I like it a lot. Okay people, we'll see ya. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.